morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Bear coming to you with day 4 of Clothesline Clues for Jobs People Do. And we're going to talk about our questions from the story. All right, in the story, the author uses rhymes to give you clues. What words rhymed on the letter carrier page? Let's think about that. On the letter carrier page. Here's that page for you. Uniform and cap. An invite for you. Big bag of letters. What job does she do? It asks us what 2 words rhyme on our page. Well, I see you, which is one of our sight words, and do. Both of these words rhyme. We have rhyming words in our story. Let's look at our next question. Look at the clues for another community helper. How do the pictures and the words work together to give you clues? Well, let's look back at our book. Let's turn that page. Milk pail and straw hat. Not everybody I see walking around carries a milk pail and a straw hat. Let's look at our picture here. I see a rooster. There's our milk pail. There's the straw hat, coveralls, plaid shirt, and a bandana. Now, looking at this picture, I know I see a chicken or a rooster many places. But a milk pail? I think it would have to be a farmer because that's where cows are kept, is on a farm. And a farmer usually wears coveralls and a straw hat to keep that sun off their head. And they use a bandana to wipe their sweat. You see how it's dripping? So that gives me a clue of how the pictures and the words work together. All right, think of a job that the author didn't include in her book. What could you give for that job? Well, I could think of somebody right now. We saw a farmer. We saw a chef. We saw an artist, a carpenter, a fireman, an astronaut. But what about a police officer? What clues could we have used for the police officer? Maybe some handcuffs, maybe a badge, maybe a cop car. That could have given me clues that could give me that job an idea. I hope you guys can think of another job, maybe the job your mom and dad do. We didn't really talk about the military, but I know some of your parents are in the military. They have a special uniform they wear. They have a special hat that they wear. They have a special outfit that they wear in order to be safe on their job. What does your parents' jobs? What clues could you think about from them? Why don't you draw me a picture and show me what kind of jobs your parents do and what clothes they may wear that gives you clues as to what they do. I will see you guys tomorrow.